Well, we're gonna try this new rice cooker. Cost me 4 times more than my old one. And today we are going to cook ChengDu or Hainanese chicken. Let's see how it works. Got my unit here. Got my pan in there, up to 3 cups only. I was hoping it could do more. We got the cup over here. And I got my plastic spatula thingy. We'll work on that one, okay? So, let's give it a try. Now, according to the marker, it should be 2 cups if you put 2 cups. And according to my thumb, it's the right measurement. Haha! Let's put some aromatics in there.